So the UQ Icarus program is an initiative between UQ and Transurban to expose, I guess, second-year students, civil engineering students, to the industry, so that we can get more experience and an understanding of real-life projects.
Before we came here, we were just uni students.
We had no idea, yeah.
Now we've just seen how a whole company works and how all the systems and divisions go in together, how they have many systems for like looking at maintenance, and really this was just all eye-opening to us.
Yeah, it's really useful to see also the practical parts of what we're learning in uni, so that we can see what the end line's going to be when we graduate, which is really good.
And also, I guess, like just interacting with like professional people, it's really good experience and like a learning experience, because you don't get to really do that at uni, because you just talk to your classmates and maybe your professor. But,
you realise it's not as scary. Everyone's always like, you need to network. And it's like, how do I talk to people? But it's actually fine. Like, you're just humans as well. So.
You guys are human.
Yeah.
I want to see
the jet fans.
The jet fans, yeah, the jet fan maintenance and how that all works. Because Michael told us they were really, really big.
Yeah, I did not expect that.
Because we drive when you see them, you're like, oh, look at little fan up there. But like he said, when he told us the dimensions, they were like 5-6 meters long and something meters wide or something. And I'm like, what? I don't believe him. I need to see it to believe it.
There's a lot of work going on behind the scenes that like the average person would have just no idea about.
Usually when you drive on the road and you see like maintenance going on, you just complain because it's making traffic worse, and you're like, why are they doing maintenance right now? But then you kind of see like the bigger picture and why they're doing it. Like you don't really think about that, but now, especially since we're seeing a tunnel closure today, we get to see the bigger picture and how things are maintained and how things work as well, which is very interesting.
It's been a fun experience.
Yeah.
Like, it was worth doing.
Yeah, 100%.
Thanks for having us,
Thanks for having us.
Transurban.
Transurban.